Okay, we've just entered April, and one of the things I want to do this year early on is transplant or pot up this fuchsia, which is in a medium size pot, and it was in there for a couple of years. But if we just zoom down, you can see where I've heavily pruned it back in recent years, and these are the new growth stems that you can see. Now there's some sign of new leaves forming, and before the plant starts to get into a full growth, I want to pot it up. We had a decent amount of flowering on this last year, but I think it needs to be potted up into a slightly larger pot, so we'll go ahead and do this. As far as pruning is concerned, I've done the bulk of the pruning earlier on in the year, and so that's not something that I need to be concerned with today. So the pot that I'm going to be putting this into, or container, is this one here. And if I put the existing fuchsia in here, you'll see that it is an upgrade. It's a bit bigger, and there'll obviously be a bit more room for the roots to grow outwards. So I'll be getting on with that. And in terms of the soil or compost that I'm going to use, well, this is homemade. You can actually see eggshells and things in here, and it's really good stuff. And if you can't get a hold of homemade compost, then just use some potting mix. And because I want the flowers to shine through this year, I'm going to be adding some Growmore, and this is the mineral. So between the homemade compost and Growmore and a little bit of cheeky manure that I'm going to place at the bottom of the pot, we should be feeding this plant quite well. So I'll get on with that then. Right, I've just removed some of the stones that were on top of here that I used for mulching purposes, and I'm just going to lift this out, and you can see there's some real good healthy root development, and you have this little foot from the shape of the pot which you can just remove. And I've decided that that is actually fine, so I'm not going to be adding any more compost to that initially. I'm going to just at this point take the opportunity to add some Growmore, like I said. I don't want to go crazy with that, just want to mix it in a little bit. And the rest is just backfilling these gaps here. So the last bit now is just to fill in these gaps. It's worthwhile just checking that there's no air pockets in there. That's fine. I think that should do it. What I'll do is just make sure that it's reasonably firmed in. And at this point, before I even think about watering it, I think I'll just place some of this gravel which I was using as a mulch. And I'll top it up with some more if I feel we need to. Yes, obviously with it being a larger pot, it'll need a top up of this mulch, but that should do it. Just needs watering in now, and then placing in its final position with the other container pots. So there we have it, transplanting up a fuchsia. So I've added a little bit more gravel to act as mulch and giving it a watering in, and that should allow it to settle a bit more.